Check it. Alright guys, you are back for another video with Data Zero, and in this video we cover the technical analysis for AMC, APE, and GME. Of course, I give you guys predictions for those three stocks, the technical analysis, and we cover the fundamentals analysis for those three stocks. And as always, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. Without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. Back with another video of Data Zero, and in this video we're going to be doing a technical analysis for AMC, APE, and GME. We're going to be looking at these three stocks and the fundamental data for these three stocks. So first of all, I want to point out there has been very few shares available to borrow, and this is important. Why? Because it's going to stop the stock from crashing down. It might not make it skyrocket, but it could help it pop at any potential moment, and it's going to stop all that short interest and shorting that we see from shorting it down in moves like this. So having them not be able to get shorts available to borrow and high cost to borrow is going to help that, and that is why no shorts available and high cost to borrow is important. So I've seen someone down in the comments say, why does it matter? That is why it matters. It stops these types of movements, so that's why it's important, and it allows these types of movements pops to the upside and then maintain those levels to the upside like we are now, which leads me to this point. This is extremely bullish. We are in a bull pennant right now. We could have a breakout as of tomorrow or possibly Monday. So I'm looking Monday or Friday for a possible breakout of this bull pennant, and we see another push to the upside. So me personally, I am buying more shares at this $5 level. I accumulated a lot of shares, made a nice trade here, was accumulating shares in this level here. When it made to the pop to the upside, made a nice swing trade, and started buying shares at this accumulation level now. So as you guys can see, we consolidated, made a move to the upside, and now we're consolidating again. And I think we're going to make another push to the upside, and we could see $6 to $8 next week, possibly. Now, I think we're going to close around $5.50, $5 tomorrow. I've been saying this whole week that I think the high is going to be $6 and the low is going to be $5, and it looks like we're going to close right around my prediction as normal, because my predictions are normally on point, and I guess that's why you guys watch the channel, not financial advice. So guys, basically what I'm looking at is this cup and handle formation that we've seen, this uptrend. We haven't even came down and test this level yet of this overall upsloping support. So that would be at about $4.50. So if we did see any downside, I would suspect a retest of $4.50, but we've been holding this $5 level and $4.80 level extremely well. This overall block of support and resistance here that you guys can see that I have marked in white for you guys. So this is looking bullish to last at least into the next week, and I will be dropping here coming up on Friday and Saturday prediction for the next week. So make sure you check out my other videos coming out for AMC and APE and GME. So that is what I'm looking at on AMC. We also have a ton of bullish technicals as normal. Not that I look for bullish technicals, it's just that AMC could pop at any moment. And of course, there are sometimes bearish technicals, like right here when we had this buy signal or the sell signal in the 2-hour and the sell signal in the 4-hour. But now we have these bullish signals right here on the 4-hour time frame, which indicates these larger movements to the upside. Again, that's why I'm saying AMC is probably going to make a nice move to the upside. Now, the thing about Friday is most people take risk off the tables on Friday. There's a lot of selling going on Friday from bigger players, bigger institutions, and people with a lot of money. So that is something you have to look at. But if we can get a nice push up Friday, that would be very, very bullish in my personal opinion. Now, this overall uptrend that we are in is going to continue. As you guys can see, we have not got the sell signal yet for the super trend. So that means we are in good shape for this overall uptrend to continue. So I am looking for this uptrend to continue, and not financial advice. I'm accumulating shares in this lower level, and I will be loading them off to buy more MOAS tickets and add more cash to buy more MOAS tickets later on to add to my MOAS bag. Not financial advice, but that's what you should do to apes as well. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. Also, if we look at the Bollinger Bands, so the Bollinger Bands can indicate a large move coming. And as you guys can see, if we go ahead and zoom into the 2-hour time frame, we do have the Bollinger Bands constricting here on the 2-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, perfectly showing you that this bull pennant is going to play out, and we're going to have a nice pop and push to the upside for AMC, in my personal opinion. The only downside risk would be that 450 retest. So if you can get shares for $4.50 or under $4, that would be a buy, in my personal opinion, for AMC. So if you see AMC go down to $4.50, $4 in my personal opinion, that would be a buy, not financial advice. But I'm looking for AMC to maintain this and close the week around $5, $5.50, possibly $6 for the high. So that's what I'm looking for for AMC. As far as APE, I'm looking for APE to close the week around $2 for the absolute high, $1.40 for the absolute low. I'm thinking it's going to close around $1.50 at the end of this week, which would be Friday tomorrow. Now, APE has this overall downsloping resistance that it needs to break, but it is in a overall uptrend. So basically, this would make basically a pennant shape. And if we go ahead and draw the trend lines, we can go ahead and connect this line with that line and show you guys that it would make an overall pennant shape. We just need to get the bounce here to make sure that this is confirmed. This bounce at $1.30, $1.39. If we get that bounce, then that will confirm that low, and it would be a pennant formation. So that's why I didn't draw that, but we do have that downsloping resistance right here. So if we get above this level at about $1.40, $1.50, you could see a significant pop for the upside for APE. Now, APE is in a overall uptrend with this falling wedge breakout. As you guys can see, we consolidated in this falling wedge, broke out to the upside, retested it, and now moving to the upside. A falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, which means this higher high setup is going to continue, and this higher low setup is going to continue, and there will be a higher high, higher than this local high of $3.36, and that is my personal opinion, not financial advice, but that is what the TA is telling me. So GME is consolidating above this overall gap fill here. So there is a huge gap fill down here at this level between $22 and $18. So GME will have to fill this gap at one point, but right now we are consolidating above it, and it looks like we could possibly push up to retest this high of $27 to $28. If GME can get above $27 to $28, we could see parabolic action for GME. And I did do a squeeze video for each of these stocks, so make sure you check that out. I'll link that down in the video description and in the comments, but make sure you check that out if you want to see that. And I do price predictions and MOAS predictions for each of these stocks and give you guys technical analysis as well. But GME is looking bullish, in my personal opinion, holding these levels, Bollinger Bands constricting. Now that could mean a big pop is coming to the upside or to the downside. That's all that means. It doesn't normally tell you. The Bollinger Bands just mean a big move is coming. So it does, and it is constricting below, or it is consolidating below the blue medium line, but we kind of have this overall bullish pattern. If we go ahead and draw a trend line here and show you there, and then draw another trend line here and show you there, and we can see that you have this overall bullish pattern for GME, which could lead to a overall breakout to the upside if we break this overall down sloping resistance to the upside. So if we can break this overall down sloping resistance to the upside around the $23 to $22 level, as you guys can see, it goes down and down and down as time goes on, we could see a nice pop to the upside. Now, if we break the $21 level, $21.50 level, we would see that move to the downside. So right now, that is what I'm looking at for GME. APE, but we have so many bullish indications. If we go ahead and put on the super trend, so we can go ahead and put on the super trend, just give you buy and sell signals. You guys can see we have a daily buy signal for GME, and that's why I'm thinking it's going to push to the upside. We also have bullish MACD on the daily time frame for GME, and I'm thinking it's going to push to the upside because of that. And if we look at APE, we have daily MACD bullish, and we have daily MACD bullishness on AMC. All reasons why I'm thinking that these uptrends that these stocks are in and showing these meme stock basket stocks are going to continue, and we're going to see a nice green weekly candle for the next week, and we are going to close this week with a green weekly candle. And as you guys can see, which I predicted in my weekly video, that we would have a green weekly candle for AMC, and we do have that. So another prediction in the bag. As you guys can see, we are in an uptrend for the overall meme stocks, and things are looking bullish in my personal opinion. But I will be dropping another update on Friday, giving you guys another weekly update and predictions for next week, informing you on everything you need to know, and I'll be dropping those throughout the weekend. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel and you check everything out. But guys, that is what I'm looking at for these stocks. Again, AMC short interest is at 24.64%. GME short interest is at 21.96%. GME's cost to borrow is sitting at a 15%. AMC's cost to borrow is sitting at a little under 200%, about 180%. Failure to delivers for both stocks are racking up, and AMC does have T plus 35 due, so that means shares have to be purchased out of the open market, and max pain for AMC is around $5 even. So guys, that is the fundamental data for AMC. We also have NGME. We also have for AMC a ton of gamma in the call options chain. If we get above $5 to $6, you could see a nice push up to the upside to these higher levels with a clear gamma ramp to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, even $10. So guys, that is the video, not financial advice, but hopefully you found the video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.